Hi, I'm Melinda Cruz. Can you hear that? Can you hear the birds? I'm right now in my backyard. And I'm so excited to talk to you about what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be recording a lot of videos about the nature some, and those videos going to help you in a lot of ways. For example, if you have problem with anxiety, depression, or other emotional problems, you know the nature can help you with that. If you cannot sleep, do you know the nature can help you with that? Those songs, those videos that I'm going to be making is because I want you to be better. For example, you cannot sleep, you can put your video in your phone, you can put the videos in the TV, and you can just sleep with the nature songs that are going to calm yourself, are going to relax you. And I'm pretty sure you're not going to regret doing this. Then don't miss my videos. I'm going to be doing the nature songs from my backyard and for the different places that I have been travel around the world. Remember, don't miss any of my posts. Like and subscribe and comment my videos. I want to know what you want to do next. Bye.